Lebanon's health ministry says an Israeli strike on the southern town of Saksakieh in the Sidon district has killed 2 women and wounded 22 people, including 3 children and another woman, according to AFP. The strike took place on Saturday morning despite an announced ceasefire in the Israeli Hezbollah conflict. At the same time, Hezbollah says it has escalated attacks on Israeli positions in southern Lebanon. In statements reported by Al Jazeera, the group claims it targeted an Israeli command headquarters in Nakura using Ababil drones. It also says it struck Israeli soldiers near Hadatta with drones and carried out rocket and artillery attacks on positions around Yomor al-Shakif. The Israeli military says 2 of its soldiers have died from wounds sustained during operations in southern Lebanon. One was a 23-year-old captain who succumbed to injuries after combat, while a 21-year-old sergeant was killed during operational activity. Israeli figures say at least 29 soldiers and 1 civilian contractor have been killed since the start of the latest war in Lebanon. In a separate incident, Lebanon says 3 Lebanese army personnel were killed in an Israeli strike in the country's south. Prime Minister Nawaf Salam condemned the attack, calling it a heinous crime and an assault on Lebanon and its people, and extended condolences to the families of Brigadier General Wassam Sabra, Captain Eli Khore, and soldier Hussein Ghosal. The United Nations peacekeeping force in southern Lebanon, UNIFIL, strongly condemned the strike, saying such attacks are gross violations of Lebanon's sovereignty and of UN Security Council Resolution 1701, which forms the basis of the ceasefire framework between Israel and Hezbollah. Hezbollah also condemned the attack on the Lebanese army, calling it a deliberate and premeditated crime and accusing Lebanese authorities of failing to uphold national sovereignty. The group reiterated its support for the Lebanese army while blaming political authorities for what it described as continued concessions. Saudi Arabia's foreign ministry has also condemned the ongoing Israeli strikes in Lebanon, expressing solidarity with Lebanon's government and people and offering condolences to the families of those killed while performing their national duty. In a major diplomatic development, Lebanese Army Chief General Rodolphe Heckel has left for Pakistan, where he is set to meet his Pakistani counterpart, Field Marshal Asim Munir. According to a statement from the Lebanese Army cited by AFP, the visit comes at the invitation of Pakistan. A source familiar with the matter told AFP the trip is linked to Pakistani mediation efforts related to the broader US-Iran negotiations aimed at easing regional tensions, adding that Lebanon is a critical part of the negotiations. The development comes as reports indicate a new conditional truce was discussed this week in Washington between Lebanese and Israeli envoys, amid ongoing efforts to contain the regional spillover of the conflict.